Ready to make pasta that'll wow anyone? Whether you're cooking for friends, family, or just yourself, you're about to unlock the secrets to pasta perfection. Let's dive in and discover how easy it is to create a dish that looks and tastes like it came straight from your favorite Italian restaurant. We're making a creamy, dreamy pasta. Simple, fun, and totally restaurant-worthy. Imagine twirling your fork through silky noodles coated in a luscious sauce, with every bite bursting with flavor. This is the kind of meal that makes you want to savor every mouthful. No fancy chef skills needed. Just follow along and enjoy the process. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned home cook, you'll find this recipe approachable and rewarding. Cooking should be joyful, not stressful. The aroma of garlic and herbs will fill your kitchen. Half the fun is in the smells. As the ingredients sizzle, you'll feel like a pro, and your kitchen will transform into a cozy trattoria. This dish is all about comfort, flavor, and a little bit of magic. It's the kind of meal that brings people together. Perfect for sharing or enjoying solo after a long day. The sauce is velvety, the colors pop, and every bite is a hug in a bowl. Fresh herbs and a sprinkle of cheese take it to the next level, making it as beautiful as it is delicious. Whether it's date night, a family dinner, or just treating yourself, this pasta is a winner. It's versatile, impressive, and guaranteed to make any meal feel special. Forget complicated steps. We're keeping it easy and delicious. You don't need a ton of ingredients or hours in the kitchen to make something amazing. Gather your ingredients, roll up your sleeves, and get ready to create something truly memorable. Cooking is all about having fun and making something you love. Let's make some unforgettable pasta together, one bowl at a time. Your journey to crush-worthy pasta starts right now. Before we start cooking, let's get organized with a classic chef's trick, mise en place. That means having every ingredient measured, chopped, and ready to go before you even turn on the stove. It makes the whole process smoother and way more fun. For this recipe, you'll need a full pound of your favorite pasta. Fettuccine, penne, or bow ties all work beautifully, so pick the shape you love most or mix it up for extra fun and texture. Next, gather your sauce essentials. A generous splash of olive oil, 2 plump garlic cloves, 1 cup of rich heavy cream, and half a cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. These are the building blocks of a creamy, dreamy sauce. Don't forget the fresh parsley. Chopped parsley brings a burst of color and a pop of freshness that really brightens up the dish. Seasoning is key. Have salt and black pepper on hand, and if you like a little kick, add a pinch of red pepper flakes. Adjust the heat to your taste for a custom touch. For extra flavor and a silky sauce, you can add a splash of chicken or veggie broth. Or save some of that starchy pasta water. It's a chef's secret for making sauces cling perfectly to your noodles. Whenever possible, grate your own cheese. Freshly grated Parmesan melts better and tastes so much richer than the pre-shredded kind. It's a small step that makes a big difference. With all your ingredients prepped and organized, you're set up for success. Cooking will be quick, easy, and stress-free, just the way it should be. Now that everything's ready, let's head to the stove and bring this delicious meal to life. Time to cook and let the magic happen. Start by bringing a generous pot of salted water to a rolling boil. The salt is essential. It seasons the pasta from the inside out, giving it flavor right from the start. Don't be shy with the salt. The water should taste almost like the sea. Drop in your favorite pasta and give it a gentle stir to prevent sticking. Cook until al dente, which means the pasta should be tender but still have a slight bite in the center. This texture is key for a perfect dish. While the pasta cooks, heat a good splash of olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add minced garlic and sauté just until it's fragrant. Don't let it brown, or it'll turn bitter. The aroma should fill your kitchen. Next, pour in the heavy cream. Let it come to a gentle simmer, stirring occasionally. As it heats, the cream will start to thicken, creating a luscious base for your sauce. Lower the heat and gradually stir in freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Stir patiently until the cheese melts completely, transforming the sauce into a smooth, velvety mixture that clings to the spoon. Season the sauce with a pinch of salt, a crack of black pepper, and a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for a gentle kick. Taste as you go, adjusting the flavors to your liking. Keep the sauce warm on the lowest heat setting, stirring occasionally so it stays silky and doesn't form a skin, while your pasta finishes cooking. Timing is everything here. The goal is for the pasta and sauce to be ready at the same moment, so neither sits too long and both are at their best. Taste the sauce one last time and adjust the seasoning if needed. Maybe a touch more salt or a little extra cheese for richness. This creamy, cheesy sauce is truly the heart and soul of the dish, ready to coat every strand of pasta. Once the cheese is fully melted and the sauce is glossy and smooth, you're ready for the final step, bringing everything together. This process is simple, quick, and results in a dish that's irresistibly delicious and comforting. Get ready to unite your perfectly cooked pasta and luscious sauce. Let's finish strong and make every bite count. Save a cup of pasta water before draining. This is your sauce's best friend. Don't rinse the pasta. Transfer it straight into the skillet with the sauce. Toss gently over low heat, coating every noodle in creamy goodness. If the sauce is too thick, add a splash of reserved pasta water until it's glossy and perfect. This step makes the sauce cling beautifully. Turn off the heat and toss in fresh parsley for color and brightness. Give it one last toss to mix everything evenly. You've just made pasta like a pro. Look at that creamy, gorgeous pan of pasta. Time to plate up and enjoy the results. Let's serve. Serve the pasta hot right away for the best texture and flavor. Twirl generous portions into bowls, piling it high for that wow factor. Spoon extra sauce over the top. Don't waste a drop. Finish with more parmesan, black pepper, and a sprinkle of parsley. Every detail makes it feel special. Take a moment to admire your creation. Dig in and savor every bite. The creamy sauce, the fresh herbs, the perfect pasta. Whether you're sharing or treating yourself, this dish is pure comfort. Enjoy the meal and the memories you've made. You did it. Bon appétit!